The space explorer's dream. Sam loved looking at the stars and imagining far-off places. Tonight, as Sam gazed through the telescope with Dad, something magical happened.
What's it like up there, Dad?
Suddenly, Sam found themselves floating gently in space, surrounded by twinkling stars.
Wow, it's like a dream come true.
Sam floated down onto a soft, grassy planet where friendly aliens greeted them with smiles.
Welcome, Explorer.
Together, Sam and the aliens explored the peaceful planet, admiring the beautiful flowers and glowing clouds.
This place is so nice.
The aliens pointed toward the sky, showing Sam how many more planets were out there, waiting to be explored.
There are so many worlds to see.
Sam floated back into space, surrounded by the beauty of the universe, feeling calm and full of excitement.
I wonder what else is out there.
With a blink, Sam found themselves back in their cozy bed, realizing the space adventure was just a wonderful dream.
It was just a dream.
Excited, Sam rushed to find Dad, eager to share the amazing dream.
Dad, I dreamed I went to space and met aliens.
That sounds like an incredible adventure.
As they looked at the stars together, Sam and Dad knew that even if it was just a dream, the wonder of the universe was always within reach.
Who knows what adventures tomorrow might bring?
I can't wait to find out.